Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, JasmyCoin, currently down bad in the bear market. Is this the best time to be accumulating more JasmyCoin, or should we wait for JasmyCoin to fall to lower prices before we continue our accumulation? Right now in the bear market, altcoins are down really bad in the last 1 year, JasmyCoin included. JasmyCoin is currently down more than 96.3% in the last 1 year. But in the last 1 week, we have seen some signs of life in the altcoin market. JasmyCoin has gone up more than 14% in the last 1 week. Should we be buying more? Is there a risk of JasmyCoin setting new all-time lows in this bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Guys, right now in the bear market, altcoins are down really bad in the last 1 year. But in the bear market is where millionaires are made. In the bear market is where you get your next 100x coin. Right now, JasmyCoin is down more than 96.3% in the last 1 year. I've seen JasmyCoin go from as high as $0.11 down to as low as $0.0036. In the last 1 month alone, JasmyCoin lost 29.1% of its value. On a weekly, on a daily time frame, we've seen some signs of life in the altcoin market. JasmyCoin is currently up more than 13% in the last 1 week. This is a JasmyCoin US dollar price chart on a daily time frame. JasmyCoin has dropped to as low as $0.0032 in the bear market of 2022. And guys, since when JasmyCoin was launched in February 2021, it has just been down only for this altcoin. First, we saw JasmyCoin lose 99.81% of its value in just 141 days. And what happened after that? JasmyCoin surprised us in the cryptocurrency market, and we saw this altcoin go from as low as $0.0087, pumping to as high as $0.31. JasmyCoin went up 3,700% in just a 126-day period. That's how altcoins can pump to the moon if you buy them at the right time. JasmyCoin started dumping to Goblin Town from November 2021. We have seen JasmyCoin go from that high of $0.322, losing another 98% of its value. Right now for JasmyCoin, I believe we are closer to the bottom than we are to the top, because from where JasmyCoin is currently trading right now, JasmyCoin will need to go up more than 7,800% for us to get back to that level where we were in November 2021. And if JasmyCoin was trading at that level in November 2021, it's very possible for it to get back to that level. It means $1,000 invested in JasmyCoin right now should return over $73,000 if we see it get back to the $0.31. It's very, very possible for altcoins. They can pump to the moon and they can do it very, very quickly. We've seen JasmyCoin dump for more than 400 days in the bear market. In the future, I believe JasmyCoin is going to pump to the moon. But the question is, can we set a new bear market low? There's always that possibility, guys, for JasmyCoin to set a new low in this bear market. We just have to see JasmyCoin dump from where it's currently trading. It has to go down another 21%, and that can happen. As a matter of fact, JasmyCoin has just been setting new lows in the bear market of 2022 since when we broke below the $0.0086 level, and I'll not be shocked to see JasmyCoin even set a new all-time low again in the bear market. If we take a look at JasmyCoin's RSI, yes, it looks as if we're pumping to the upside, but there's always that possibility we can see the RSI come back to test the lows, and most times the price will probably go lower than where we got to in November 9th, 2022. If you're accumulating some JasmyCoin right now in the bear market, guys, you have to be thinking long term. If you want to be a long-term holder of JasmyCoin, you have to be willing to go through the pumps and the dumps. If you believe at some point in time in the future we're going to see JasmyCoin trading above where it was trading in November 2021, if you believe we're going to see JasmyCoin even get to where it was in May 2021 when JasmyCoin was trading above $2.16, guys, right now in the bear market is when you want to be making those moves. In the bear market is when you want to be accumulating your favorite altcoins, because when the bull run comes around, a lot of people will be shouting to the moon, but those people that take the huge step of accumulating right now in the bear market are going to be the huge winners by the end of the next bull run. The crypto market is in extreme fear right now. A famous investor said, you want to buy extreme fear, at the same time you want to sell greed. So when the market heads back to greed, when everything is green and dandy, when altcoins are going to the moon, that will be the best time to sell. Right now in the bear market is for accumulation. My accumulation range for JasmyCoin will be from the $0.0033 level to the $0.0086 level. If JasmyCoin gets above this level, my accumulation for JasmyCoin in the bear market is done. And I'll be shocked to see JasmyCoin just perambulating between the two levels for more than 6 months. Just accumulation. Guys, when the whales are accumulating, the price looks as if it's doing nothing, but strong hands are buying, dollar cost averaging through the bear market. On this channel, I'm a huge believer in dollar cost averaging through the bear market. If you have been dollar cost averaging into the JasmyCoin since May 2022, right now just keep dollar cost averaging. At the end of the bear market, you are going to get a very fair price when you see the average of all your buy price. But guys, remember, don't go all in when you're buying these altcoins. These altcoins can dump to the ground very, very quickly. Altcoins are very volatile that way. We love them because they pump to the moon when the market is pumping. At the same time, they can dump to the ground really quickly when the market is dumping. Let's take a look at some details about JasmyCoin. In the last 1 year, JasmyCoin went from as high as $0.13 to as low as $0.0033 with a market cap of $20 million and a fully diluted market cap of $212 million. We have over 4.7 billion Jasmy tokens in circulation with a maximum supply of 50 billion tokens. Currently ranked 557 on CoinMarketCap. Over 101,000 people have JasmyCoin on their watch list. What is JasmyCoin? JasmyCoin is a cryptocurrency project of Tokyo-based Internet of Things provider Jasmy Corporation. As a system, the Internet of Things include mechanical and digital elements endowed with an identifier and an ability to transmit data. The Internet of Things company Jasmy specializes in buying and selling data, and the Jasmy platform connects two categories: service providers and data users. Where can you get some JasmyCoin if you want to get some in the bear market? Getting ready for the next bull run. Guys, you can get this altcoin on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on BitTop, on Kraken, on Bitfinex, on Bittrex, SushiSwap, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoin, you can get some JasmyCoin right there. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. How low do you think JasmyCoin will go in this bear market? Right now, we're down really bad in the last 1 year. JasmyCoin has lost 96.3% of its value. That's normal with altcoins. But guys, why we love altcoins is that they can come back, recover all those losses, and even set new all-time highs. So are you buying JasmyCoin right now, dollar cost averaging through the bear market? Or are you waiting for lower prices? Do you believe the bottom is in for JasmyCoin? And guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, how high do you think JasmyCoin will go to by the end of the next bull run? I'll hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.